Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate two mediums for use with oil paint, Artist's Painting Medium and Blending and Glazing Medium. First I will show you Artist's Painting Medium. I'm using it here with an opaque colour, Artist's Oil Colour Cadmium Green Pale. Artist's Painting Medium reduces the degree of viscosity of oil paint, improving flow and slowing drying. This makes it ideal for creating smooth areas of gradated colour and glazing. Here it is when dry. Now, using a monarch brush fan, I'm going to blend this transparent Artist Oil colour bright red to meet the cadmium green pale, using the medium to help create a gradated ground. The bright red's transparency also makes it a good choice for glazing, as you can see here. Now I'm going to move on to the blending and glazing medium. It works in a similar way to Artist's Painting Medium, but has a lighter body. It's the best choice when you want to build up transparent layers of colour, making it perfect for blending, stroke work, and in particular for staining. I'm going to start by illustrating its staining property. First I'll show a stain of bright red over cadmium green pale. Next, Winsor green phthalo over bismuth yellow. Now here is an example of how it can be used to blend colours, using Winsor green phthalo with bright red. Lastly, the medium with Winsor green phthalo over a white ground, showing how you can create a smooth, even surface with this medium. It's important to consider the properties of each oil medium when deciding which one is best to use in your painting. I hope you found this video helpful.